Just got the couch in today, and this is pretty much how it comes in parts. All right, we're gonna set it up and keep it easy to install instructions. All right, you're gonna have to connect at the end because it does have a charging station. It's a smaller couch made for 2 or 3 people. All right, so we're gonna put it together and see how well it fits in here. And also, just to let you guys know, this thing is over 40 pounds. So make sure you have at least 2 people to help you bring it in. All right, this is the first step. And to find out which one's left and right, it tells you right in their label, right? So this is gonna go on top of it. And no screws, nothing necessary, no tools. It's just automatically lock. Right? Step 1 is done. Now we're gonna set up the back. All right, first of all, this is supposed to go back, all right? So what I mean is it's supposed to go back this way, right? So don't mess up like I did and try to put it to the front. It locks in place. When you bring it down,